Hi everybody. So I was able to now change my intercooler from the 1.4 TDI ATL. So in the ATL you don't have the pressure sensor in the cooler, it's there in the pipes already. So in my installation I just blocked that hole which was in the Hyundai intercooler, and it's size-wise it's double the thickness, and the surface area is also a little bit more, but inner volume should be about 3 times the size. I will calculate more exact values when I have time, but that's how it is. How I installed mine is that I cut also off some plastics. I made room here, so here I took a lot of plastics out so this would swing there, the boost hose. And what else? I wanted it to be aligned according to this, but here I made tiny grooves so it fit on this side. Very tricky because I don't have a proper garage. Everything is size in Germany. Proper size. So I have there this kind of 10mm rubbers, and here I then drilled a hole where I put it to the right position. First I grinded the holes in the plastic. Here I took a lot of stuff out also. So this one is grinded level there, and this one is lying now against the floor, and there's big holes because I tried to adjust where it is, the correct place. Easiest thing to get it aligned perfectly is that you buy about 6mm thick rubber, and then you have the correct hole pattern here, and then you just align the big plate and screw it there with few screws. Mine is it 10 or 12mm thick, and that's actually too much. I don't know how the other guys got it there, but in my installation, you see it there, where the pressure sensor comes, that is touching the oil filling system. So I need to lower it a little bit more, and that one isn't even thick as the original pressure sensor, which is like here 10mm or 8, I would say 10, and it's less thick and it's still hitting there already. I can push it a little bit down, and here I just fix same rubber and it's pulling that way, and it's still a little bit shaky, so I need to add few chip ties to make it more sturdy, but for trying I think that's enough. And when it's finished, then you just make plastics here so the air doesn't escape wrong route and stuff like that. If you have a good garage and you can find tools fast, maybe 3 hours job. I have been now working 6 hours here, but I drove with the bike to buy parts and cursing that I have to do it on the ground, etc, etc, but can be done also in the ground. I haven't even removed totally the bumper on the both sides, just the left side I took it out because that I already on previous repairs I lose it there. Now I should also try to see where my windshield washer fluid is leaking, but maybe not today. Sadly, I think mine wasn't leaking there. I didn't see any visible cracks, but I will find out soon. Does it still leak, or do I have to start looking more closely with the hoses?